Welcome to 3035, Indigenous Queer Theory and Practice. So this is Maddie Day, I'm Sandy O'Sullivan, and we're going to do some brief introductions here, as well as just a very brief preview to our intro seminar, which is on the 28th of July. So Maddie.
Hi everyone, so I'm Maddie Day. I'll be running your seminars this session. I work in the Department of Indigenous Studies. I'm a PhD candidate, which means I'm doing my PhD at the moment. My PhD looks at the way that settler colonialism instrumentalizes, or how heterosexuality is instrumental to settler colonialism in Australia in particular. Really excited to be here with the legendary Professor O'Sullivan today. So yes, I'll let Professor O'Sullivan introduce themselves, but just to quickly give you an idea, Professor O'Sullivan is the convener for this unit and is probably the leading Indigenous queer scholar in Australia, and has done a lot of groundwork for people like myself coming through now. So I'm super excited for you all to have a unit put together by the professor this session.
Thank you very much. It's really sad if that's true. So, no, there's not a lot of us, is the truth. But also, I mean, again, you know, Maddie is an extraordinary academic, and you're really, really lucky to have their input into and their guidance as well in shaping some of the conversations. It's incredibly important that we do this, that we have this opportunity with this particular unit to really think behind the scenes. So again, I'm Sandy O'Sullivan. I'm here on Cubby Land. I'm a professor in the Department of Indigenous Studies, and I'm a Wiradjuri transgender non-binary person. And look, I've been an academic for a long time, but I've actually really been working pretty increasingly on this idea of not just Indigenous queer theory, but also what it means in terms of practice. And that's why this unit is, you know, such a wonderful mashup of these ideas that are often about what you read on a page rather than about the lived experience. And so we're going to explore both. So you'll see that there's a lot of readings here. There's a great deal of video material and other material that you can engage with, audio material. The idea of a seminar series is really just to allow us to be able to have time, for you to have time to immerse yourself in some of this and to come and reflect together, and to really think about what some of this material might mean and how it might translate to your next stages of thought, your opportunities for thinking about what you want to do with this information and these ways of thinking. So, so welcome, and it'll be fantastic to catch up with you. Thanks.